Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Subhangi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful glam makeup look especially for POHELA BOISHAKH. For those who don't know what POHELA BOISHAKH is, it's Bengali New Year. And as you can tell from my name that I'm a Bengali and POHELA BOISHAKH is a very exciting day for me. For every Bengali to be exact. Do you know what's the most exciting part? We get invitation from jewelry shops where we can eat free fuchka, free ice cream and drink free coffee. Who doesn't love to eat free ke golgappe? So yep, I'm very excited for POHELA BOISHAKH. Also in my last video, some of you guys asked me to create a makeup look especially for POHELA BOISHAKH and your wish is my command. Without wasting any further time, let's get started! final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Sunday, so make sure to hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. Wishing you guys a very happy POHELA BOISHAKH in advance. শুভ নববর্ষের আগাম প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা জানাই সকলকে. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and don't forget that you are beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.